Hey guys, I am back with another candle video. I have not opened any of the things yet. I just got them in the mail. I ordered them probably 2 or 3 weeks ago now. It's been a while. So before I get started with my whole candle haul video, I wanted to show you guys my new lighter. It's super sleek and clean looking. It looks way better on my countertop than just a regular candle lighter. And it's a lot more compact than like a long candle lighter, but I wanted to show you guys how it works. So I got this off of Amazon. It's from a company called Radia, and it's a windproof flameless USB rechargeable lighter. It comes in it comes in many colors. It comes in the champagne gold, rose gold, black, silver, sky blue is beautiful. Should have got sky blue, and the white. So it has, you can see the lights on, it's been charged. It comes with the charger. The charge lasts a really long time. Actually, when it came in the mail, it was already like practically fully charged, which is super cool. It does have an on and off switch, so if you have kids around and you're worried about that, it does have an on and off switch. And it also has this button. It's like a retractable button. If you push it up, it will light. But it'll light, and then when you let go, the button just goes back down. So that's how I lit my candle back here. It actually keeps your hands a good distance away from the flames. It doesn't shoot flames up at you when you're lighting your candle, which I really liked. Let me see if I can light this one for you. I have candles everywhere. It's crazy. There you go. Ta-da! Super easy. I just think it's a super cool, sleek little thing, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Okay, so now for my candle haul. I got these candles when they were on sale for like $11.95 or something like that. I don't really remember what I ordered. So this is how the candles came packaged this time. Sometimes they come in the carton, sometimes they come in the box. Hopefully none of them are broken. I feel like every time I order from Bath & Body Works, at least one item's broken, which is pretty disappointing. But they do end up sending me a new one. Okay, this one is intact. This is lemon lavender gingerbread. Oh, I like that one. That one's good. That one is good. Oh, not gingerbread, shortbread, sorry. Lemon lavender shortbread. Sugared shortbread, zested lemons, fresh lavender sprinkles, and natural essential oils. You can definitely tell there's essential oils in there, and I like that. Okay, what's next? My hair's like not acting right today. Another Christmas one. White velvet coconut. Velvet cake, coconut shavings, white buttercream, and essential oils. This one's good. You can definitely smell like it smells like almost actual coconut flakes. Super cool. I literally, like I said, I forgot what all I ordered, so this is a surprise for me. Strawberry pound cake. Strawberry shortcake, whipped cream. Of course. It's like a mixture of real and artificial strawberries in there. Ooh, this one's cute! Oh my gosh, look at that. Iced blueberry biscotti. Sugared blueberries, sweet vanilla icing, almond biscotti, brown sugar. The lid is see-through. Mmm. It smells like blueberry oatmeal. That jar though, that's a keeper. I'm going to keep that when that candle is gone. This is going to be a really quick video. I just wanted to throw something up on to my channel. But probably within the next few days, I intend on doing like a Shein makeup try on review thing. If you know Shein, the site where you get clothes and things. I got some makeup on there, including lashes and contour, blush, all that stuff. So I do intend on doing a video putting it on my face and letting you guys know my opinion on it. So that should be up hopefully this coming weekend. Boardwalk, summer boardwalk. I remember really liking this one. Glazed popcorn, taffy apples, sweet cream. Yeah, I really like this one. That I'm gonna save for like the spring and summer. If I'm not mistaken, I did get 2 of those. I knew that I liked the smell. Yeah, I got 2 of the same one. So, yeah. That is my video for today. Super short and sweet. I just wanted to get on here, like I said, and let you guys know that I am intending to make more videos in the very near future. Today was just my busy running errands day, so I didn't do multiple things all at once. But now I'm going to go clean up my room and do laundry. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will hopefully see you guys very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.